Guess what? Samsung is finding it tricky to keep their new Galaxy S24 series a secret before the big reveal on January 17, 2024. People have spilled the beans, and we've got some interesting details. There's a leak from Brazil with a marketing poster showing the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a cool titanium gray color. It spilled the beans on a quad-camera setup and an S Pen to match. The poster also mentions something called Galaxy AI, which seems like a bunch of smart features for the S24 series. Some of these might need you to have a Samsung account. By the way, the S Pen seems to be for the S24 Ultra only, not the regular S24 and S24 Plus. Oh, and Walmart spilled the beans about the Galaxy S24 Plus too, but they quickly took it down. It was about an onyx black version. Samsung is planning some cool offers for early birds, like doubling the storage without raising the price, just like they did for the S22 and S23 series. The event is in San Jose, California, and it kicks off at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We'll probably learn more as the big day approaches, so stay tuned. Cell phone shushing face.